guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a fish taco recipe and homemade fries. The kids wanted to have fries with their tacos, so I had peeled some potatoes to cut them up, and I will be making them in an air fryer. And I have thawed out my fish and washed it, and we are using cod for the tacos. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up my fries and let them soak in cold water for a little bit before I put them in an air fryer. So I'm going to let these soak for about 20 minutes while I get everything else ready. This way some of that starch will get pulled out. So now I'm going to get my slaw that will go into the tacos ready. And for that you need 2 cups of shredded slaw. I am using the coleslaw, shredded coleslaw from the salad mix, but there's actually just the slaw here. And then 1 lime or half a lemon, and then about half a teaspoon of honey. So now I'm going to season the fish, and I have half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of garlic and onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. And then I have 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to dry my fish, and then I'm going to season it with all of these seasonings. And here is the fish ready to get cooked. So I am preheating my cast iron and some olive oil to saute the fish. So I had dried my french fries, drizzled olive oil, and dried my potatoes, and put some vegetable seasoning on them. And now I'm going to cook them in probably 2 batches for 20 minutes or so each. Now I'm going to make sauce that goes over top of the fish. So you need 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1/4 cup of 1/4 of a cup of mayo. We use European mayo, but you can use any. 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, and then about 2 teaspoons of lemon or lime. And you mix all that, so I'm gonna mix it all in here. The fish is done. I am just waiting on the fries, which have another 5 minutes to go or so. I preheated my tortillas. I'm using corn, but I also have 50-50, which is corn and 50 wheat, and then just the original white wheat. I also made a salad with the leftover coleslaw, cut up some avocados. Here's the sauce. And then there's the slaw to go inside your tacos. So here is the plate. I used corn tortillas and just a little bit of fries, and I also made some salad with the leftover cabbage, which I also mentioned already. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.